As you can see that, welcome back to our Fatafat News channel, and with the cameraman, with the reporter, and now we are going to get some masala news, because we used to know about some masala news and reality news, and let's come on to the village area. Come on, cameraman, come on, come on. Okay, something serious is here. What happened, sir? What happened?
My Sundari has been stolen. My heart has
Sundari-
been stolen
Sundari?
by someone.
Your girlfriend,
I have
sir?
lost my Sundari.
Your girlfriend? You have
No. She is my heartbeat. She
Sir,
is my heartbeat.
heartbeat. The problem of village people, please. Cameraman, come this side. Please, cooperate, guys. We have to. Sir, can I know the color of your Sundari, sir?
The color of my Sundari is black.
Black girlfriend? Sir, which kind of language she was able to speak, sir?
She was able to speak many languages.
Sir, please cooperate, guys. It is your village news, serious matter. Please cooperate. Sir, the language.
She speaks meh.
मैं why I came here? Am I searching मैं? Sir, please tell me how many legs she has?
She has 4 legs.
4-leg girlfriend? I want to know something. He is telling a lie. Tell me, brother, what he is saying. Have you seen her?
I saw her in Beltog Institute.
Oh,
Cap sir is teaching her. Yeah.
caps are stolen. His Sundari?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh. Please, cooperate. Have you seen? Sir, your Sundari has some game.
She is my heartbeat.
I want to know from the neighbor, so that he is telling a lie, or he is telling a lie, I think so. Sir, will you please tell me?
What are you asking?
Sundari, sir,
Look at his face. Look at his face. He has stolen. Look at his face. Look at his face.
Sorry, I don't know.
He's saying sorry.
Are you talking that
you know
Sundari?
about her Sundari? You know about her Sundari?
I know about her Sundari. Oh, that Sundari you are talking. Oh man, you are talking about that Sundari? That Sundari came with my Kalwa. Huh? They are deeply in love. You are stopping with them from being together.
Oh my God,
I have done a great job by making them together. In this society, for good people, there is no place here.
As we can say that people are blaming each other, sir. Your Sundari he just keepist. She has run away with Kalua.
He has ruined my Sundari. Ruined.
No, sir.
She is innocent. She is innocent.
Okay, sir. As we can, now we want to give you the conclusion that, as we can see that a Sundari, a deeply loved Bakri, the name of the Bakri. Sorry. God has been run with Kalua. Sundari has is a escapist, as we can see that. So please be with the Fatafat News and get Masala News. Thank you very much.